Hi guys, today I'm going to play Animal Hospital. Welcome. Add break. Oh no, 1 second guys. So guys, here I'm back. What is, oh hi, welcome sir. You're welcome. Which room you going? Okay, come. Which statement you need to learn to ask state patients? One burger, one drop, one doctor, I don't know what to say. One burger? I don't know what is that? Bandage, okay. One syrup. Where is that syrup? I mean the... I need to go and take some gun. Here I take some gun. I need to watch ads, sorry guys. That is a 1 second ad. Guys, here I get one gun. Best gun ever I had in my life. Where is the monster? Where is my uncle monster? I hope one warning will come. Yes sir, welcome sir. Yes, welcome sir, sorry sir. What you need sir? Okay. One syrup, one patch, and one drop. One patch, one drops. Welcome, sir, welcome. Where is my shotgun? Okay. I should shoot you. Oh no, no need. 1 minute, guys. Sorry guys. Okay, so let's welcome warning, a monster has entered the hospital. injection. Here you go. Thanks, ma'am. You can go and another patient. I should kill them. I don't reckon I die. And one injection, one patch, one syrup. I don't know. One injection. Wait. One thermo, one injection, one patch. And one patch. Where is one patch? This is the patch. So here you go. Another patient, next patient, please. Here you go. The patient is not dying. Next patient, next patient. Okay. One medicine milk. I don't know what to say. That is a pill. Oh, sorry. Okay, that is one pill of medicine.